Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Elena Holland. Juliet is on assignment this evening. There is still no verdict in the trial of Christopher Schurr. He's the former Grand Rapids police officer charged in the shooting death of Patrick Lioya during a traffic stop 3 years ago. We have team coverage outside the courthouse this evening with Josh Albertus looking at the crowds downtown. But we begin with Callie Lichter. Callie, there was a chance the judge would be out of town for the rest of the week, but let's talk about what's happening now.
There was that chance, Elena. We have been told since the beginning of this trial that there was a conference that Judge Christina Mims would have to attend on Thursday and Friday this week. However, at 4:45 today, at the end of the day, we were told she will be in the courtroom tomorrow for another day of deliberation. After a third day of deliberation, the jury in the trial of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr has still not settled on a verdict. Well, the jury told Judge Christina Mims Tuesday they were deadlocked. There was no news about where the jury stands Wednesday.
If it's become obvious that people are entrenched, then and nobody's listening to each other anymore, then it makes sense that they would come back and say, hey, we're deadlocked.
Criminal defense attorney Andrew Rodenhouse says he is not surprised the jury still has not reached a verdict.
Anyone who's ever tried to coordinate a party with 12 people knows just how difficult it is to get 12 people to agree on anything, let alone something this big and complicated.
If Judge Mims has to miss a day, that wouldn't stop the jury from deliberating.
But she has that discretion, and she's making her decision that she thinks is the best way to proceed. And ultimately, if she can articulate why she's doing it that way, that's going to stand up.
If the judge has to miss a day of deliberation, there's a possibility that a circuit court judge could take her place, or the deliberation resumes another day. While the jury sits in the deliberation room trying to find common ground, Rodenhouse knows both sides are anxiously awaiting the final decision.
I can tell you this, that both parties are probably sitting on pins and needles right now. Just not only are they just probably just, they're bored, but they're also, anxious because they want to prevail. I mean, both sides want to prevail.
The jury can deliberate until they reach a verdict, or the judge rules the jury is hung and calls a mistrial. And that verdict can come any day now, at any hour of the day, and we will have that right as soon as we know it. Live at the Kent County Courthouse, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.